Okay, is this Mr. White?
This is the famous Ralph White.
Okay. Everyone loved him some Ralph White.
Thank you.
All right, Hutchinson County Court is now in session, sitting as the probate court to hear the application to admit the will of the late Ralph Wayne White to probate as amendment of title. And Gail Marie White is providing the testimony, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
All right, Mrs. White, if you'll just raise your right hand. In this case before the court, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Lujan, you may proceed.
Yes, Gail, go ahead and state your name, please.
Gail Marie White.
Okay, and you were married to Ralph Wayne White, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
It's kind of a mouthful, right?
Ralph Wayne White. Yeah.
And he passed away on March 2nd, 2025. Is that right?
Yes.
And y'all lived out there on Crockett Street. Is that correct? Okay, and he was 77 years old at that time. Is that right?
Yes.
And because of that, his domicile is here in Border, Texas. Is that correct? So go ahead and make sure.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And also because of that, this court has jurisdiction and venue because he lived here in Hutchinson County. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. At the time of his death, he owned property in excess of $10,000, or probable excess of $10,000. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you would agree that he did not receive Medicaid on or after March 1st, 2005. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm showing you right now a copy of a file marked copy of the last will and testament. Is that correct? And that'd be of Ralph Wayne White, correct?
Yes.
And you, I'm flipping to the signature page, and you agree with me? You recognize that?
That's it.
What is it?
That's Ralph Wayne White right there.
That's his signature.
That is.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And you would agree with me that he executed it. Was it on or about February 10th, 2011? Is that
Yes.
correct? And you agree with me that will was never revoked. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And you would also agree that the witnesses were Jana Rendon and Nancy Page. Is that correct? Okay. And you would agree with me that this will is self-proved as a matter of law. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the will named you as the independent executrix. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And no children were born to or adopted by the decedent after he made that will. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. You'd also agree with me that no marriage of the decedent was ever dissolved after the will was made. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And neither the state, government agency of the state, nor charitable organization is named by the will as a devisee. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And you've investigated, your husband's affairs, and he has no debts, unpaid debts at this time. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. We believe that there's also an account at the Education Credit Union. Is that right?
Yes.
And we're trying to get that paid out. We've included special language in that order so that way that they'll distribute those funds as well. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, but you're asking that today that the Judge Irwin sign an order admitting your husband's will as to probate as a amendment of title. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Judge, I have no further questions. I ask that you sign the order as filed.
I have reviewed the proposed order that you e-filed. So after hearing the testimony today, it will be the order of the court that the last will and testament of the late Ralph Wayne White be admitted to probate as amendment of title.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thanks.
I think we're going to request certified. It's already been requested?
No,